broken inside, but I'm still breathing, lost in the night, still believing. Every tear, you see it all. When I'm weak, you call my call. I walked alone through the fire, carried pain, buried desire. Smiles hid what I couldn't say, dark clouds wouldn't fade away. Felt so deep, lost my way, empty nights, silent prayers. But your voice cut through my fear, said, my child, I'm always near. Even in my lowest place, I can feel your saving grace. You pick me up when I fall, you heal my heart, mend it all, piece by piece, you restore. I'm not broken anymore. Through the pain, through the storm, in your love I am reborn. Now I stand strong and whole. You revive my weary soul. Scars remain, but they speak of your strength when I'm weak. Every crack, every tear shows your mercy drawing near. I was lost, now I'm found. Grace lifted me from the ground. Chains are gone, I am free. Your love rewrote my story. Every wound you understand, healing flows from your hand. You pick me up when I fall, you heal my heart, mend it all, piece by piece, you restore. I'm not broken anymore. Through the pain, through the storm, in your love I am reborn. Now I stand strong and whole. You revive my weary soul. When I cry, you hold me close. Never leave, never let go. In my fear, you are peace. In my chains, you release. From the ashes, I rise again. Through your love, I will stand. Now I walk in the light, no more shadows inside. Every step that I take is a move of faith. Pain turned into praise, dark nights into brighter days. What was meant to break me down now lifts me off the ground. Every scar has lost its hold. Now my story's being told. You pick me up when I fall, you heal my heart, mend it all, piece by piece, you restore. I'm not broken anymore. Through the pain, through the storm, in your love I am reborn. Now I stand strong and whole. You revive my weary soul. I was broken, now I'm healed. Your love is real. Piece by piece, you make me whole. You restore my soul.